Can the heart of the Earth power the future of Sub-Saharan Africa? This isn't just a poetic musing, it's a question that scientists, innovators, and policymakers are grappling with as they explore the potential of geothermal energy. Let's dive deep into the Earth's crust. Here, the natural decay of radioactive particles from elements like uranium and thorium generates heat. This geothermal energy, simply put, is heat from the Earth. It's clean, sustainable, and best of all, it's available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. But how does this underground heat turn into usable energy? Imagine a kettle on a stove. As the stove heats up, the water inside the kettle starts to boil, creating steam. The principle for harnessing geothermal energy is the same. Engineers drill deep into the Earth, where temperatures are high enough to heat water into steam. This steam then rises to the surface through a well and drives a turbine connected to a generator, creating electricity. Now, picture this process happening on a large scale, powering entire cities and industries. That's the potential of geothermal energy. But why are we talking about Sub-Saharan Africa specifically? Well, Sub-Saharan Africa is sitting on a geothermal gold mine. The East African Rift system, stretching from Djibouti in the north to Mozambique in the south, is one of the most geothermally active regions on the planet. This rift is essentially a crack in the Earth's crust, where heat from the mantle can easily reach the surface. In Kenya, for instance, geothermal energy is already a major player in the energy sector. The Olkaria geothermal field provides nearly 50% of the country's electricity. But the potential doesn't stop there. Take Nigeria, for example. Despite not being located on the rift, Nigeria's vast sedimentary basins could also hold significant geothermal potential. The heat within these basins could be used to generate electricity or for direct-use applications such as heating or cooling buildings, or even for agricultural purposes like drying crops. Harnessing this energy could revolutionize Sub-Saharan Africa's power landscape. It could provide a stable, renewable energy source, reducing reliance on fossil fuels and mitigating the impacts of climate change. It could also spur economic growth, create jobs, and improve living standards. But like any energy source, geothermal isn't without its challenges. It requires significant upfront investment, and the process of drilling deep into the Earth can trigger seismic activity. Plus, the technology to harness geothermal energy is still developing, and many areas in Sub-Saharan Africa lack the infrastructure necessary to support it. However, with advances in technology and the right investment, the potential to harness this natural, abundant, and sustainable energy source could transform Sub-Saharan Africa's energy landscape. So, the heart of the Earth could indeed power the future of Sub-Saharan Africa. It's not just a poetic musing, but a very real possibility. This is the power of geothermal energy. This is the potential that lies beneath our feet.